Yeah, is of course Willie Boy, aka the horror master. Wetin dey my horror so this don enter my horror I think about 2 days back now, but I just say no today my cocktail because why? Some men, they bad pass snake. If you see say man and snake enter your house, some not be all. Me I not prove me wrong. Go. Some men, first kill that man, first drive am first before you drive that snake. Because why? That man fit go bite you. Why the snake say not go bite you? Because why? Some men they're too bad, especially this Europe where we say we just dey. They're too bad. You you go marry for us. You get children for us. You come Europe, you come abroad, you don't stable, maybe you also for your family. If you want to build their company, you build their company, or maybe you get document, buy ticket, they go to visit there, they come back. But no, they won't just be like that. Maybe they just fall for which they call control. They all they find girls up and down. You want to be say my short man like this, you go see they fuck up, you go see they disgrace yourself. Now your matter and all this my horror. So I need to clarify that for God. Why? I know say this kind of they happen always. This is so go still repeat itself again for Facebook. You know, see they will still see them again. When they disgrace each other. Hey, if this man you know better, imagine, man, you just dey Europe, yeah. Now woman even put you for us. Woman, if in Nigeria this kind of thing happen, say now woman will put you for how they feed you. Wetin una only do for Nigeria now, but now come here, una call they do am. Which woman for Nigeria got put man for us, cause they go they do complete work, cause they go they sell something for market, cause they give her money, cause they clock the man, cause they do everything for the man. Which woman want to do am for you for Nigeria? But yeah, so based on say they don't know, based on say they know who they play, all those also met. You understand me so? Some men, now that one they all put down say na be their work. But some girls say yeah. You see now, but not be all. Some girls some day good, some yeah. Now the yeah one so now me they talk about. You see now? I don't know why you dare ask like 4 years with man for us. The man don't marry for Nigeria, he don't born for Nigeria. When we say you don't know why. You don't know. So they call the woman, the man family. They say marriage, it be like marriage in our school when we say they ever graduate. Nobody is perfect in marriage. Mistake fit come anytime. That's why you know say if you want enter marriage, you look well. Marriage not be saying na your enter or na just fish pond. When we say you just go put that you just touch of people, the fish you just catch, you just draw the fish. No. As you enter, so you don't enter. See where reach you. By the time you don't reach you, knows you know if they beat again. This one now, you don't read this one knows. To beat now na problem. You see now. This or when now, this man I don't marry for us, you not tell the woman. And now the woman say you put her for us, they clock and they do everything. Why? They must see sister kind women feeling because why? Don't see when they do so we say you're not too good. Imagine the disgrace on herself for street. The theater my I must talk her. I must discuss her. Because why? I know say this go to the repeat itself very soon. Because now they sup well. I discuss it for my horror, but this one so it really baffled me. That's why I know. This one so I'll put mouth. I want to clarify this thing because why? Make some men exchange their living. If you know say you don't marry for us, you don't get wife for us, you date Europe here. Any girl will be say you know say you won't date with, tell her, baby Alpha, what's up? I don't marry her. I get woman for us, so I get children. You go tell her, you go look whether you go fit day or not. If you know if they leave her, but maybe the one you say you don't date like 4 years, 3 years, you don't born for you. You can go here for us and say you don't marry, you don't do anything for her. Probably don't enter her. Now I made this up when now you see this. See, imagine now. See the way it did. Money now you not get to, abi to go rent house. Now the woman cloth her. Now they feed them. Now they pay house rent. Now they do everything. You see her now. See what he just put himself now. Say no enter my house. This say baby don't stop. Who you can stop? Or where? Say all your friends go see her. Yes, your friend go see her for Facebook. Abi Apostle Boy don't carry her. We don't carry her. We will discuss her. Many people don't carry her. They say now, the thing don't enter my house. You enter my house so I go pick her. Not believe your friend wants her. Me not be your friend, but as he come my house so we don't carry her. We will use and disgrace you. Because why? Some men need to change. So for those of you men, when you know say you don't marry for us, you don't born picky for us. As you want friend girl, tell the girl say you don't marry. If not, last, see what you want happen to you. The way they disgrace this or where, now so they want disgrace you.
Devil, you my brother, they look am. When I look am. Now, devil man, wait, don't marry. For Nigeria, I come about me make a call for her. Because I be baby mama Sherry, I be or go here and go. Anywhere where you they go, I'll follow you. You see this my house? Well, now, whom you want any? Well, now, yeah, for straight away. I was away on the Facebook in here, dig away. Because I went swag me. People may know me, you don't think you're all too much. I don't take. I said, no, enter my house. Don't enter this fucking place. If not, I'll call police for you. Oh, Balegbe, no Balegbe, can I says we are Kagabo. If you come this house, I'll deal with you. I mean, we are wrong. Why are they wrong? You don't say you be father of all the others and then make a make sure. Let me make sure. If you beg me, I go kill you.
Sorry, no.
Maria go see this video. I don't want to be the sheriff because enough of insults.
I'm not insulting you.
Enough is enough for you. You see this man. What happened today? What the Abu be say?
Sorry.
You dey shit on me. What the Abu be say? You dey shit on me. You don't marry for Nigeria. You say, us if you enter my house, us your giver if you enter my house. That's what I'll do you. Today not today. Today not today for me are you. Where we went and me ata mu and so where. Where we went and me ata mu where women and so where. Yeah. Your God, you never say God. If you know God, you for not they do bad.
Which part I do you
If you know God, you for not they do bad. Where they say you don't marry, come tell me say.
Okay, wait now.
That's kind of business. Give my phone, the guy. Give me my fucking phone. You don't have my phone.
No.
Is it your phone?
Yeah, give me that.
Is it your phone? If you enter this house,
Okay,
I'll slap you.
go now.
If you enter this house, I'll slap you.
Yeah, sorry.
You don't marry.
Sorry.
You can't do me while you say you never marry. You know, don't be see my belly. And oh, get out. As I disgrace you, so you remember I saw everyone want this. Go good kill you. Go good kill you. All these stupid married men. When they find big nyash, they go. Big nyash. I don't care. Even though you want to spend my career, me, I don't fucking care. You are see. After the money. Even your old brother and my friend for this Russian. We will deal with it. Will not have I don't care. Mona they wash. I'm gonna share. Now my way be say, he say he love me, whereas he don't love me because of paper. Because I get paper, nationality, mama. He say make I give her paper. He can't give me belly. I tell us, see you don't born. Us say la yo. He never born. If I talk to my sister, he go be correct. If I talk to my producer, you go be correct. If I talk to people, I'll go dagger you. So then, me all go there go dagger you. Osti, I go dagger you. I don't know as I be do apple. Come on, Shara. Come on, the Shara. They never see you rich. I want me to see you for head to toe because you wear me color. I mean my shots, sir. I mean my shots, sir. I mean my shots. The last. For your grodadity, now I speak all the English when I know. Now you laugh for your bastard guy. Okay? You're not naughty, but illiterate. You are not illiterate.